morning, Hurricanes, and welcome to the Hurricane News.
Today is Friday, February 13th.
The weather for today is a high of 76 and a low of 61.
The lunch for today is orange chicken or teriyaki chicken with rice or lo mein.
Did you know that 47 million job openings are projected over the next 10 years, with 1/3 requiring an associate degree or certificate?
In the spirit of CTE, we've chosen one African American who has contributed to CTE each day this month.
The African American CTE professional of the day is
Lewis Howard Latimer was a groundbreaking American inventor, draftsman, and electrical engineer whose innovations were essential to the development and commercialization of electric lighting. As one of the few black inventors of his era, he overcame racial barriers to become a key figure in the Second Industrial Revolution and the spread of electricity in the United States.
Thank you, TB2 students.
Now here's the Young Woman of Excellence's clue of the day.
I developed techniques for separating, storing, and transporting blood plasma during World War II. I was the director of the American Red Cross. I was the first African American to earn a Doctor of Medical Science degree at Columbia University.
Thank you, Young Woman of Excellence.
You're good.
So my business is called the Market Clutter Cleaners. Our mission statement is to clean up the cluttered markets of low quality products and ensure consumers are getting their money's worth when they purchase products. So our target audience, the company is mainly catered towards people who are either looking to create a website that hosts external products that need to be reviewed, or have an already established business that need a hand reviewing product. Okay, so our service is subscription based, where companies who purchase our products will pay a monthly fee. Our team will review products that people pitch them.
Now, on to sports news.
Congratulations to those who made the track team. Basketball Open Gym will be held again on today from 4:15 to 5:30 p.m. Basketball tryouts are February 17th to the 19th from 4:15 to 6 p.m. Pickup time is 5:45 p.m. You will need a permission slip, basketball shoes, proper athletic attire, water, sports physical, and a GPA of at least a 2.0, good attitude. Now back to our anchors.
After school tutorials are starting this week. To attend, you must have your parent guardian sign up for the tutorial and must have a ride to be picked up.
Cheerleading practice is on Monday, Wednesday, and Friday after school.
Stop the Bleed will be held for 6th grade science classes on February 24th and 25th in the Media Center.
We are still accepting soft donations. Please contact Miss Jessie for more information.
That's all for today, Hurricanes. Remember to rise. Bye.